Hello, friends. Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so there's a snack. I don't quite want to call it a dessert. I'm going to say it's a snack that I make a lot in this house for myself. And that is Greek yogurt. I like vanilla, the honey vanilla. And then I go and I get the honey graham crackers. You know, kind of fits together. And take your seal off. I've done that. You don't need to see me doing that. And also, don't forget to wash your hands, as I did. And I take the graham cracker and I just slip it inside of the yogurt. Oh, something I forgot to do. I'm going to have to take some of this out, otherwise it's going to start overflowing. There we go. Yeah, it'll start coming over the lid. I'm not trying to do that. Yep, just stick your graham crackers inside of your Greek yogurt. This does not work as well with regular yogurt. Trust me on this one. But if you want to try it, hey, go for it. You know, hey, it might, you might like it better. I don't know. But this, I know, tastes delicious. So I wanted to tell you what it actually tastes like. So this is going to taste like, okay, I got my stuff is stuck here. We're going to push that down in there. And we're just going to slam that on top of there. This is going to taste like a honey vanilla cheesecake, in my opinion. Also, this is going viral over on TikTok. So now that you have that, this is so easy. How easy is that? Okay, put your top back on. You're going to put this in the refrigerator, let's say, at least 4 to 5 hours, preferably overnight. But 4 or 5 hours, I've done that before. It tastes great. Okay, then, with that little bit left, I want to make the same thing, but take your graham crackers and I just crunch them up in there. Okay, stir that around. It does nothing is perfect here, okay? It's food. Okay, and now I have a treat for later that I can munch on while I am watching my soap opera. Okay, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.